Etie for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so na hey camp Reverend Osubempa camp omo the fire eba plan na the battle between Avram Bemoshe and Reverend Osubempa na em say Reverend Osubempa omo take care than the fire because fire as he say if you omo camp but no dey answer you better as on the subscribe and click the notification bell no and no end that screen so the message from Reverend Osubempa omo camp no eni was it Book Christo ni bi abubehu ne say it's just a common battle between Avram Bemoshe and Reverend Osubempa no and the who Christo ni ne sebe em say wada was it we Christo ni na Nyankopon we bie weni a eni kwan say wo sorry ka say oh Reverend Osubempa no momo reply Avram Bemoshe momo reply no e was it who say a battle between the kingdom of God and the kingdom of darkness. It will more Reverend Osubempa camp no they are representing God and Avram Bemoshe they were no bonsaman crofo inti e was say wo hu no on that note etie for yen share ensem na say Reverend Osubempa ne camp e den ensem bi ababonten Reverend Osubempa na kasa se mo be kai a Elder Emisa wono ne abrantie a woni eye Avram Bemoshe e call battle emu odin ewo Reverend Osubempa na nkasa na sorry na wode nsensem bia betu dwa etie for wutie nsem a wo kan wasi who Avram Bemoshe in the first place no wo sorry a na wo kan de wo pe wo sorry a wo si won believe in spirituality wo sorry a wo si won believe in prophecy now so the last video Avram Bemoshe wo ye no answer na Avram Bemoshe be sha se wo be attack eye Reverend Osubempa no Avram Bemoshe eye yankoma di bia wo frɛ honhom wiase honhom ni na se wo mo meta na chi na wo be ye video na wo bia wo se wonje prophecy so wonje spirituality ndi no esi den e na wiase honhom de wutumi from se wo mo meta wo chi. That's the first punch Elder Emisa wo mae. So I say who Avram Bemoshe say who jidi say honhom bi wo wiase mu a and the woman so jai omo because omo jidi say Yesu Kristo honhom e wo ho. Fair enough. Second point was say Avram Bemoshe ho ya ne sre. Who Avram Bemoshe wo say wa report Reverend Osubempa ama police. Na anye bia na ke nim say Avram Bemoshe wo de ba eye common sense a. Na nka wo de bia wo de yi hu ko a say common sense there. Na common sense na antrel say Reverend Osubempa attack a waka say wo be attack you no common sense na antrel say attack no it comes in different forms. Wo be betumi aka say wo be attack you bi e betumi aba say be spirituality. Wo be betumi aka say wo be attack you bi e betumi aba say wo be kwa kwachi ne bako na eden abo no. Wo be so betumi aka say o attack you bi to say debate because you can say nkofu tu e debate na we e kan tia we na we e kan tia we a eba brofu mu a obetumi aka say these two people are attacking each other. Football so eba attacker ye ka say oh the attacker is going or Ebia Man City is attacking Manchester United and then trace Ebia Man City players na fa bo e na wo mo de gbogbo Manchester United players no park ni so just a football ni English attack ni so no it Reverend Osubempa attack waka so be attack Avram Bemoshe no na nka say Avram Bemoshe wo use common sense ne hu ne say dabi debate nsensem ya ne ye kan say yanso ye be ye video aye den attack o and say ye be bo and osanso de can say Avram police wa go report him and they said they yan kola asem and away di second point say wo say wa go report police wa go report am police say Reverend Osubempa akata say wachiwa ana wo be ma ne nkola na aye den egwa o Avram wo ka say wo gwa Jesus no say wo bi enim say ene say wa fa aba na wo di gwa Jesus o eye kasa kwan na wo kan wo bi ate ase because Avram Bemoshe be ba wo say me gwa Jesus ye ne enim ene say Avram afa ebia ebo na wo di gbo Jesus ana wa chi Jesus physical na obu no da bi eye expose ya wo no so say wo expose no intia no wo ka say mo Jesus ne kan me gwa no inti say Reverend Osubempa so ka say wo be ma ne nkola na egwa wa e wo say wo use sa same common sense ni hu say enye say ebia wo be ma ne nkola na be chewa bo wo mo so be ba abe expose you no mo so aka say wo ma den wo mo egwa o it is in same way I also call report ama police ne there Abraham Bemoshe we dey nkolansem we dey na kyenim say common sense but we dey when use common sense e wa ha etie for we ne nsema elder Emisa no wodi tu dwa na nsem no we mpu ye ne nketwa. The first thing was see Abraham Bemoshe dey oye ni na no Abraham Bemoshe ne nitia o na Abraham Bemoshe can say common sense enye common sense na enye religion mo pa mo nko Abraham Bemoshe no ne dem wo sori anopa bia mo nko hwe de wo ye wo wonyankuma de bia wo ye na Abraham Bemoshe no wo hwe ade a eda ne ko mo Abraham Bemoshe chen bi da ne kom wo se wo hwe chen na eda Abraham Bemoshe kom na mo nia mo nko hwehwe ne background na ade bi wo ho ye friend Egyptian Kemetism na sa Egyptian Kemetism yi eye religion bia e wo ho de dada na omo san krofo no wo mu books na Abraham Bemoshe we sua ende what dey babontin a wo se wo disprove Jesus Christ no it is Abraham Bemoshe babontin de ka se wo no de wo ye no common sense no enye religion a wo boa eye religion bia e wo ho de dada a ye friend Egyptian eye Kemetism na wo bubo books bidding occultic books are Abraham Bemoshe esua no bo se wo no kra no wo expose Abraham Bemoshe the first day of debate no wo bubo sa books ni din se sa occultic books yi eno na Abraham wo esua je se wo de beye dede e wo Ghana ha se na wo se wo expose Abraham Bemoshe sa awie ye no Abraham Bemoshe du fie na Abraham Bemoshe frɛ wo no elder Emisa no na wo threaten no se wo de nebe court for defamation of character. Hey, defamation of character. Who Abraham Bemoshe in some wa kan fa sofo ho e wo Ghana ha se ye ka se ye de wo court for defamation na nka sebe na nka ubenya utrade din enti elder Emisa yi e no say we expose Abraham Bemoshe books ni ano e na Abraham Bemoshe du fie wo frɛ no ba sa asem na mba bonten Abraham Bemoshe esuro se ne members ne tia wo mehu se se papa we tumi aka asem e ma Abraham aka se wo de ne be kokota na te se bia asem na papa ne ka no ababi wom enti Abraham Bemoshe ne nkofu bi na akọ ne pa e na odia na efifia e no mbehu na in all these things Reverend Osu Bempah the camp wo mo kano I feel one thing they feel say Abraham Bemoshe has betrayed their father Reverend Osu Bempah obi beka say how asem nini Abraham Bemoshe na nkasa babontin say yes every week na Reverend Osu Bempah sending his car yes wo beko ahunyenhie mu Reverend Osu Bempah eye den eboa no say me ene wo montie o me ene wo se ye won krofo bi a ye boa wo mo na ebia ya asem bi aba na enkrofo no wo mo ambo ya mane na wo mo akogina ne panim kan ya asem na obviously be yenya it is from this point no me so me Reverend Osu Bempah ne camfo na ase say at least Abraham Bemoshe answer na wo be ba bonten abekasa fa Reverend Osu Bempah sa prophecy na wo kan FA ex president no answer na nka wo be ba bonten abe blasting no akeka nsem kesia fa Reverend Osu Bempah say be one shut it up na ke say wo hu no adwene say o da bi papa we me ko ahonyenhia mu no wo boa me iti me mfrɛ no iti eno ani asem no but on the other side of Abraham Bemoshe no so Abraham Bemoshe hu no say da bi wo boa me kan na wo ye bone a e wo say me kan but the mistake ne say Abraham Bemoshe shouldn't have come public like the way he did and the credit wo ho ana waka wo bia wo ye o papa wo ye bone a obi anka nsa me nka bone ne ntre no wo betumi ekohu na akoka bone na tre no but wo kotina enkrofo mu cancer bone na obviously libakuna wo ye o papa no wo nya o papa ni biom so they feel say from Reverend Osu Bempah camp no they feel say Abraham Bemoshe has betrayed Reverend Osu Bempah because he became your friend he was helping you na mo from ho edi nkomo into o feel say oh na nka wonya bibia na wo de o feel say maye bibi na enya bonten na nka frame na kan into on that note no I also understand them na asem we won akoye say Kwame A+ and MPP nsem no eno na ende ama A+ wa betan MPP a enye tan ketwa because MPP abba be mu no mo ma A+ ejuma ena wo mo ka tre A+ hu se boni bi ko so wo MPP mu a member abonten be kan A+ so say he me ma no so me be ba be kan ena A+ be kan ya ye gi me contract fee ni nsem and then abedane otan hu na wono any MPP. It's the same thing over here. Now say na me din kan no. Just put yourself in their shoes. In same say, if you are the third party, it's very easy for you to point fingers. Say, oh, nipa we wan kan ye, nipa we no kan ye. But wa fa wo sheshu nim. Wa fa ne say ebia, wo wo fa asekitu ebi, a wo hwe no. Wo hia bibia wo ba ho. Na ebia, wakoye boni bi. Nipa dia mfum so wo ye ho. Na wakoye boni bi, a wo susu say wo fa ase no. Wo beba abeka to say, oh, wo fa, we de wan ye ni ye. Wo beti an say, wo fa ase ne nam abonten sebe, wo mu a wo mo mpe wa asem kra no. Wo ke sa wo boni no. E tre wo mo. Obviously, we ninje, Obeka say, when you betrayal. It's from Reverend Osubempa camp. No, one say, Senior Avram Memoshe, we betray Reverend Osubempa. It's the same thing in our day Jet Li. It's the same thing in our day Miss Bell. It's the same thing in our day also group here from a vampire squad or a vampire DND, and also your group here na Avram Memoshe a womb. It's here for. Was it is the same thing na Avram Memoshe they are young Krofu Bebre. Na sa CSF na mutie yen no e wo se muhu se Avram Memoshe ye obi a oye boni aye ni wan hwe ni ye a the same thing what the beba beyemo. So this is the advice from Reverend Osubempa ne camp etiefo ensem no me se edoso tami chuku mi dini na bebreo mu de mo ntwen mi dini na bebremo